welcome to Sadie's Fun Channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make your very own homemade candle at home. And you just need to find things from the kitchen. It's very easy. So what you're going to need is a glass. I already added water. You need to add water from to here. Then next up I'm going to add some food coloring. This is the amount of food coloring you need. I'm going to just put it inside. Okay, I think that's all of it. And then you're going to use a spoon to stir it up so you can make sure all the blue will be like in there instead of looking like clear. Okay. Now we're going to put these marbles in for more decoration. I'm going to put some of them I have. I think I'll just put like a few of them. One more. I think this is enough I'll put. Okay. I'm gonna put my hand in the water. I don't want to drop it. Okay. So that looks like enough marbles for decoration. Now next up I'm gonna add is the oil. I think I'll add all of it. Just like that. Okay. Whoa. There we go. And then next up we're gonna add is a wick. I just used some cotton and a bottle cap, and I just made a hole in here. And I just put it through. Okay, and I'm gonna just carefully put it right inside. There we go. Make sure it's floating nice and tight. And then you need some help with an adult because you need somebody to light it up, but not yourself if you're a child, because you don't want to get burnt. And then watch. Look at that, everyone! We made our very own candle. What do you think? It's lighting up like how it's supposed to be. What do you think? Isn't it like a real candle?
How long is it going to light?
Well, it's going to light like really long. It's going to last probably for...
A couple hours?
Yeah, probably. So thanks for watching.
It's gonna light until the oil is gone.
Yes. You need oil for this because if you don't have oil, it will not happen like this. So thanks for watching. Bye. See you soon. And remember to like, subscribe, and share. Bye. See you soon.